Hi you guys, so today I thought I would just join you really quick and show you this little box that I made to hold all of my little goodies that I have for the holidays, to make like little tassels and little dangles for my journals. I thought I want to keep it all in one box so it doesn't get intermixed with all of my other stuff. I do have another big like tray that has some holiday stuff mixed in, but I did get some stuff that I wanted to put together in one little box. And I just wanted to show you that I took just an old box that I had received a Planner Perfect subscription in, and I covered it. I went ahead and used all kinds of Christmas scraps and holiday scraps and everything like that from my paper stash, and I thought I would just put all of my stuff together inside of it. I just wanted to share with you the idea of possibly, instead of having a box that is fancy from the store or whatever, that you just color it with paper, like scraps of paper, and you collage on it, and then you make it into like a little holiday box. I did that this morning. I thought, oh, I should have been filming this, but you know, I thought, well, I'll just share it with you anyway. And then inside of it, I just have little things that, like, I was at Walmart and I got these from the little miniature holiday ornament section. These are just some little pine cones. I thought they would be super cute. I got them in silver and gold. And then I got these from there as well. And each one of them, there was like a card with a bunch of them on it for like $2 and something maybe. I just thought it was kind of fun to get some things and put them together and have them for my tassels when I go ahead and make them this winter. So, and I thought these were super cute. There was, I think, I don't remember, maybe 6 of them on a card. And I thought they would be fun to put on tassels. And then I thought maybe even these little cups. So we'll see how those go. These are ceramic, I think. So I got a few of those little cups. I got a little snowman one. And then these are really cute too. I thought this was cute. This would be adorable hanging off of a tassel on a journal. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you in case you were itching to get ready for the holidays. This is my little box of treasures that I got. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.